This is our EDC2 project. It's a laser security alarm system. It uses a laser and an LDR to detect the light. As soon as an obstruction comes, the buzzer rings, detecting an obstruction. A transparent medium to detect. It detects and gives the output. This is our 555 timer, which is used to blink the LEDs. You can see it over here. We have used this circuit to blink the LEDs. Once this will blink, and then after, depending upon the capacitor size, the LEDs blink. It will stay on longer if the capacitor size is bigger. We have used this circuit for the LM358 to compare the voltages coming from the potentiometer and the LDR. This is our LM358. This pot, which is used over here, as you can see, connected to pin 2 of the op amp, can be used to select to use this sensitivity of this LDR. Depending upon, if the light is not too bright, we can adjust this potentiometer so that we get a correct output and not some false, and just like it just detects anytime the buzzer will ring. So thank you guys for watching. If you all have any doubts or queries, you all can ask in the comment section below. Thanks.